Okay, so I'm going to show you how these work, which I'm pretty excited about this. So this is warm with the remote. This is cold, and this is white. And we're in a studio right now, so I just want to show you warm, cold, white. So there's definitely a difference between the three colors there. And on the remote, you also have bunch of different options I did not play with, and I still have to read the instructions and find out what auto is about. But pretty excited about that. So it comes with two remotes. It does control each light, and I did just kind of practice and unplug one, and it was on warm. Plug the other one in, use a remote, and put it on cold. And so I was able to switch them to two different lightings. I haven't tried distance to see if they both react at a different distance, because there's a possibility you want one to be of one color and one to be the other. So I will continue to play with that. But right now, one remote will control both of them at the same time. I'm trying to show you guys the material here. This is actually a bit rigid, a bit stiff, different than the other ones I own. And this part's pretty soft, comes with the Velcro, pretty standard. And the bulb, there we go, I'll just shut this off. Bulb is definitely a little rigid, rough, but this is the bulb. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. Let's see, let's just change it. Warm, cold, white. All right, that's what the inside material is. It's just kind of textured and rough. So I have yet to actually use these during a session, but I've never had lights where I can change the color like that and really get technical with this. Used to just buy bulbs and try to go with the bulbs that you're comfortable with. So let's see if I kind of get at a distance already. I'm going to try and do warm, as you can see. You see I didn't point it at the back one, and only this one went warm. So I'm about 5 feet from the back lamp, and there we go. So as easy as that. Just as far as the distance, you can have two different settings if you wish. All right, thank you, and I am happy with this purchase for now. They're lightweight and they're a little cheap to the feel, but we also don't want super heavy, especially if you guys are traveling with these lights.